or left-handed? You're right-handed? Okay, we're going to use your left hand today because you won't need that one for school, all right? I'm just kidding. It's going to be fine. Last question. Is this your mom right here? Mom, do you have any other kids? Just those two, so you got some backups? That's all I needed to know. Just got some backups. You're going to be totally fine. Don't worry, Hannah. We're going to have some fun today. We're going to do something we call enrichment, okay? That's a really big word, but all it means is we're going to have a little bit of fun with our next animal ambassador, and you get to help us, all right? Can you tell everybody what's in your hand right there? That is a carrot. You are absolutely right. Nicely done, Mom. Now, underneath these mushrooms is where you get to hide that carrot, okay? Now, you get to pick either one. Our next animal will not know, okay? We're going to see if you can outsmart him, all right? So why don't you go ahead and take that little piece of carrot, hide it underneath one of these mushrooms. Either one. I mean, that's a good choice. You want to pick that one? All right. See the hole? Perfect spot. Okay, Hannah, come right back on over here with me. You're going to stand right here. Actually, I'm going to have you stand in front of me, because that way he'll get you first, okay? I'm just kidding. You're going to be fine. Take a look at that 10 right there. Oh my gosh, I think he's coming. There he is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that. He's getting close. He didn't even hesitate. He knew right where your tree was. Way to go, Napoleon. Now, Hannah, he found your tree with no problem. Do you know how he found that tree? He smelled it. You're absolutely right. He used that very large nose of his. Now, that nose is not just super adorable. It also serves a very important purpose. Inside of the tip of his nose, there is a bone. And that bone actually helps utilize his nose just like a shovel. So he can root around when he's out on walks. Take a look at this. There's a close-up of that adorable little snout I was talking about. And he always has so much fun. Look at that big smile he's got there. Now, Napoleon is a domestic or pot-bellied pig, and he does weigh in at about 90 pounds. But that does not mean he is not agile. In fact, he has quite a few dance moves. Take a look at this. Look at that spin. That's great, right? Did you guys all see that? Was it too fast for you? All right, Sean, we might have to run him through it one more time so everybody can get it. Here he goes. Look at this speed, Hannah. Amazing. How pretty was that? Very nicely done. And we're going to give you a very special opportunity, okay? You get to take a picture right next to Napoleon. So I'm going to have you sit right here on this box, come around the front, and you're going to sit down right there. Now, he's going to come up right next to you. Now, Napoleon can be a little shy, so we won't pet him right away, okay? Sean is going to park him because, as you can imagine, parking a 90-pound pig is kind of like parking a semi-truck. Look at that. Now, he's going to smile for the camera. You smile, too? Nicely done. Way to go, Napoleon. Looks like you got one. Now, he is covered in this really bristly hairs. Now, it is winter time, but in the summer, he's going to shed out almost everything except for that wonderful mohawk right on top. Then he kind of turns into a little punk rock star for the summertime. He was very, very good. Thank you very much to Napoleon and his trainer, Shauna. He's going to show off his speed one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, the fastest pig in the zoo. There he goes. Now, Hannah, we don't want you to go home empty-handed, so we got something very special.